Hey guys, how's it going? Grayson here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be making my delicious, creamy, cheesy potatoes that everyone will be talking about. Let's get started. This recipe calls for 3 pounds of potatoes, mayonnaise, Colby Jack shredded cheese, butter, sour cream, 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, bacon, cream cheese, and Velveeta cheese. I'm going to start by cubing our potatoes. Now these have been washed thoroughly and they are ready to go. So I'm just gonna, one got away. I'm just gonna cut these in bite-sized pieces. And I am actually gonna leave the skins on mine. But if you feel like peeling your potatoes, go ahead and peel them. I just like to leave the skins on mine. These creamy, cheesy potatoes are a hit and they are full of all the good stuff. Now I'm doing about 3 pounds of russet potatoes. Y'all, these potatoes are so good. Everyone loves these. I especially love making these any time of the year, but especially, you know, for summer parties or the holidays. Okay, y'all, 3 pounds of potatoes chopped into bite-sized pieces. Now we're going to boil these potatoes until they're almost tender. While the water's boiling, we're going to go ahead and cut up 1/2 of an onion. Time for our potatoes. And we're going to cook these until they're almost tender. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to set a timer for 10 minutes. Okay, the potatoes are ready. That took about 15 minutes. Now that our potatoes are done, we're going to start putting the rest of this recipe together. So in a large mixing bowl, I'm going to start with 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. Next is our half chopped onion. 1/2 cup of sour cream. We're going to use about half of this. Eight ounces or 1 block of cream cheese. 1/2 stick of melted butter. 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. 1/16 ounces of Velveeta cheese, cubed. One cup of milk. 1 pound of bacon cooked and crumbled. Y'all, these are so good, you will not believe it. Everyone wants this recipe. Two cups of Colby Jack cheese, shredded. Dash of salt. Dash of pepper. Let's just mix all of our ingredients together. Okay, now we're gonna add our potatoes. And these are still nice and warm, y'all. So see, you don't want your potatoes to be all the way done. You don't want mashed potatoes. You want them almost tender. Okay, and we're just going to transfer this to a big 9x13 dish. And I'm just going to add a little bit of extra milk over the top of them. Now we're just going to pop these in the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes at 350 degrees. Our potatoes are done. Wow. Look at that, y'all. They are bubbling and amazing. Those look amazing. They are bubbling all around the edges. We're gonna let these cool down. We're gonna give them a taste. Okay, let's go ahead and give these a try. These creamy, cheesy potatoes are always a hit. Okay, here goes. Mmm. Oh, Lordy. The chopped onion gives it such a good flavor. The bacon, the cheese, the cream, the sour cream, you know, it's awesome. And also I like the fact that they're not mashed potatoes. And so the potatoes still have a little bit of substance to them. These are probably the best potatoes I have ever had. Y'all, these are perfection. And that's going to do it for today's recipe and video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. You know, these creamy, cheesy potatoes are definitely a hit. And I know that you, your friends, and family will love them too. And as always, thank you for watching Grayson's Kitchen. I'll see you next time.